Hola, mi locas. So, we're gonna do a fact and cap on silencing the microwave. I don't know why when I see stuff on TikTok, I'm like, it doesn't know what else to read, but when I see a bunch of people do it. So, we have kitchen timer. Oh, wait, no, we want to put time cook 0, so do 5. Okay, cool. Hurry up. It doesn't work. It's not working. It said push 2. So how would you do it? What is this? Ah. Not do it? No. I don't know what that means. Okay, so how do we do this? Did it work? Time cook 2. It doesn't work. How do you do it? Bro, I don't think mine works. Yeah, I don't know how to silence it. I lied. So obviously not all microwaves. Or I don't know. Maybe there's an instruction manual on this. I'll Google it.